And it goes a little something like.
Friends, welcome to our Education is a Passion channel. This is Pratik Marsoni, the host of this channel. Today, we are going to prove that roots of some natural number is irrational. Here I have written sum. You have noted that. Sum means not all natural numbers, such as root 4 equal to 2, which is a rational number. 2 is a rational number. So I have written some natural number. Means root 3, whose value is 1.71 something, that is irrational. So let's start the video. How can we prove that root 3 is a irrational number? So let we have to be letted that let root 3 be a rational number. As we assume that root 3 is a rational number, so we can write that root 3 equal to a by b, where b unequal to 0 and a and b are coprime. Means here we have written that root 3 equal to a by b, where b unequal to 0 as it is a rational number, and a and b are coprime, means not they have not common factor other than a is divided by b, and in this side a equal to root 3 b. I have sent this b to another side of equal to. Now squaring on both sides. A square is equal to 3b square. Therefore, now I am erasing this. If anyone want to screenshot this blackboard, then he or she maybe screenshot this. Now I am erasing this. As we know that a square divides by 3, and from theorem 1.3, theorem 1.3 states that if square of some number by any number, then its square root is also divisible by that number. Means a square divides by 3, then a is also, means a is also divisible by 3. So we can So we can write that A equal to 3C. If anyone want to screenshot this blackboard, then he or she may be screenshot this. Now I am erasing this.
I am writing this here.
As we written that A equal to 3C here before few seconds. Putting this value in A square equal to 3B square. Putting this value here, A equal to 3C whole square equal to 3B square. 9C square equal to 3B square means 3C square equal to B square. I have written this here. 3C square is equal to B square means B square is divisible by 3. So B is also by theorem 1.3. But if anyone want to screenshot this, he or she may be screenshot this blackboard. Now I am so 3 as a common factor both A and B, which we have proved above, that 3 as a common factor of A one time and the 3 as a common factor of B one time. So 3 as a common factor of A and B we have proved above. Our contradict is that A and B are co-prime. Thus, this contradiction is arisen due to our wrong assumption. Means that we assume that root 3 is a rational number, so A by B is a factor of root 3 and A and B are co-primes. But we have solved that 3 as a common factor of A as well as B. So our contradiction is wrong. So our contradiction is arisen means this contradiction is arisen because we have wrong assumed. So root 3 is a irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. So some natural numbers root is an irrational number. We have to prove just like that we have proved here. If you have any doubt, write on the comment section. I will read all the comments and try to solve your problems. If you are new viewer of this channel, then like, share with your friends and not forget to subscribe our channel. We have to meet with a new this type of video in this channel. अब हम मिलेंगे आपको एक दूसरे ही ऐसे ही वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए जुड़े रहे हमारे चैनल के साथ. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू. बाय.